Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid any charges. And then let's enter the Play Store. Let's tap on it. Of course, if you do not have your Google account currently added to this device, you will have to do it right now, or you will have to create the account or simply log in and then tap on this circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps and games, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available to check which we can download. And in my case, I've got only 6. So basically, if you want to, you can mark all of them, or you can pick the apps you want to update. So let me pick, for example, this one, and maybe Files by Google. After marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be automatically installed on your device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.